Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where passion for cars meets precision in storytelling. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of cultural history reborn with a modern twist. The Beetle has always been more than just metal and wheels. It's an icon, a symbol of freedom, counterculture and fun. And now in 2025 Volkswagen has given the Beetle Cabriolet a new lease of life, combining retro charm with cutting-edge technology, refined performance and the joy of open-top driving. Buckle up, because in this video we're going to explore every aspect of this fascinating car: its design elements, the engineering that powers it, the performance you can expect on the road, its unique selling points, and how it stacks up in a market increasingly obsessed with SUVs and EVs. Whether you're a Beetle loyalist, a casual enthusiast, or someone looking for a stylish convertible with heritage baked into its DNA, this deep dive will give you everything you need to know about the 2025 Beetle Cabriolet. At the front, circular LED matrix headlights nod to tradition but with cutting-edge tech. They feature adaptive beam shaping, projecting subtle eyelid accents reminiscent of the classic Beetle's friendly face. At the rear, the taillights are slim and fully digital, capable of animated sequences, a playful detail for a playful car. Buyers can choose between 17-inch, 18-inch and 19-inch wheel designs with retro-inspired hubcap-style alloys making a return. Color options pay homage to Beetle history: shades like denim blue, candy white, tornado red and a new pastel called sunshine yellow, designed specifically for cabriolet buyers. The silhouette remains classic Beetle: rounded fenders, a dome-like roofline when the top is up, and short overhangs. Volkswagen wisely resisted the temptation to overcomplicate it. Instead, they leaned into nostalgia while refining proportions to meet contemporary tastes. The fabric soft top is fully automatic, capable of lowering in under 10 seconds and raising in 12, even at speeds up to 30 mph. With the roof down, the Beetle transforms into a sleek boulevard cruiser, emphasizing horizontal lines and giving a more muscular stance. Step inside and the Beetle Cabriolet surprises you. Front and center is Volkswagen's latest MIB4 system, displayed on a crisp 12.9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and native apps. That a fully digital 10.25-inch driver's display complements it, offering retro-themed classic Beetle gauges as a skin option. The cabin retains retro-inspired circular motifs on the dashboard, vents and infotainment housing. However, it's a thoroughly modern space with soft touch surfaces, premium leatherette or genuine leather upholstery and customizable ambient lighting. Despite being a compact convertible, the Beetle offers 4 seats. Rear passenger space is usable for short trips and the trunk provides 220 liters of cargo capacity, enough for weekend bags or a grocery run. Clever packaging means even with the roof folded, space is preserved. Under the hood, driving dynamics are focused on enjoyment rather than raw aggression. The steering is light but precise, suspension tuned for comfort with just enough firmness to handle corners confidently, and noise insulation ensures a relaxed ride when the roof is up. Volkswagen emphasizes that this isn't meant to be a Golf GTI cabriolet, that it's a lifestyle car built for cruising, yet competent enough to put a smile on your face when the road gets twisty. The 2025 Beetle Cabriolet stands out because it taps into nostalgia while offering contemporary features. Few compact convertibles remain on the market, making this a rare and appealing option. Retro colors, wheel choices and themed interior packages make each Beetle feel unique. Allows buyers to enjoy both open-top fun and eco-friendly commuting. Owning a Beetle isn't just about driving a car, it's about joining a legacy that spans generations. So what do we have in the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet? A car that's playful yet practical, stylish yet comfortable, and nostalgic yet forward-looking. It doesn't try to be something it isn't. It's not a hardcore sports car. It's not a family SUV. Instead, it's a statement, a joyful head-turning convertible that reconnects us with the emotional side of driving. In a world increasingly dominated by screens, apps and generic crossovers, the Beetle Cabriolet reminds us of why we fell in love with cars in the first place: fun, freedom and individuality. If you're someone who values character over conformity, who wants a car that makes you smile every time you glance back at it in the parking lot, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching, and drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars shaping the automotive world.